Well, she was clean yesterday.
It doesn't go through like the Jeep did. Is it gonna go? It's gonna make it? It's going. Oh. Yes, we still have the Yukon, but I'm gonna pick back up in a different location here and talk about the new purchase, which you can probably already see in the title and the thumbnail. Stay tuned. Well, I'm sure you can see on the trailer there, we have a camper, truck cap, and a few other accessories to pick up. And again, these are gonna be for the obstacle course that we're making. Who knows, you might even see some of the footage in this video today. But I'm really gonna have a tough time deciding what I need to do with this. So I'm heading up to the shop now. We're about a half hour, 45 minutes away. And I'll pick back up and you guys get to see the full tour of this thing. And I'll let you guys decide what you want me to do with it.
A different one. Obviously, because that one doesn't work anymore. That one had to go back to Verizon.
Yeah. All right, well, I decided to just kind of have it here at the farm. And let's just do some exploring with it and see what she's got.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's so big.
Oh, it went up and over that, though.
It's so big.
Well, it did.
Stopped. I think if you'd have kept going, it'd have made it.
I think so.
It's that little drop down right there on that left side.
I think it's catching it has them silly steps on it. So it might not have steps on it. You guys didn't get to see the steps, but if you go over to Instagram, send it to _Steve, you'll see pictures of before this thing.
Well, we're definitely bringing it's that right front wheel that's spinning right now.
I'm going for it. I told you I was gonna go for it.
Let me get that mud off of there for you.
I think we got that.
I think so too, but
There's
I ain't gonna
no
put
way.
my phone out this time.
All right, give her the beans.
Beans! Beans! Oh! 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 Crisscross applesauce.
Well, it did come up and out of that. We have the footage, I think, from Eric's phone, hopefully. Fingers crossed. His footage is upside down. But I ended up, yeah. I ended up taking off both of the steps, with the front one, and then I believe... Oh, we got them both off of this side over here. That's all right. We didn't need steps where we were going anyway. All right, let's keep the journey going. All righty, up here, plugging and chugging. Obviously, we got Eric from Eric's Everything Auto over here. And this is probably a spot that I shouldn't go with this thing because it got pretty deep, not to mention it's heavy, but I'm gonna go for it.
Okay, I think it was deeper the last time we went through here with the Jeep.
The Jeep is light, so it's kind of stays on top.
So this is kind of scary, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Have you ever heard anybody four-wheel driving?
Oh. It doesn't go through like the Jeep did. Is it gonna go? It's gonna make it? It's going. Oh, it's no longer clean inside.
Oh, that smells bad.
Oh, is this where we get stuck?
This is a spot right here, boy. Oh my goodness.
Oh man. I told my girl how clean this thing was inside.
It was clean. And then we got mud on it.
Oh, we're through. We're through.
Okay.
All right, we're through.
Holy cow. Oh shit.
Oh.
Trees down.
This doesn't go over everything as easy as the Jeep does.
Yes, but the Jeep has multiple thousands of dollars worth of help me get along gear.
Armor and...
actually had one of these things sliding around like this before. This is kind of intimidating. This is a big girl.
It is big. I feel like I got mud all over my face.
No, you're all right. You got like a...
Oh, that's why. I can't get over that big rock.
Oh, we gotta hit the rock. Right there. That big ass rock. Here, let me get that off of the screen for you. We don't have 35s either.
We don't have 35s.
It's recording. Oh. Oh. Well, she was clean yesterday. Get hit with mud. You know, it's really hard to film. It's really hard to film for you and be quiet, you know? Because you make me smile. Reverse.
I think we just backed the whole way out.
No, I think you can go this way, can't you? Oh, no, you can't go that way. It's like, oh, let's just pull. Okay. Oh, no. Oh baby, oh baby, oh! Shit. Okay, I'm gonna try and be quiet now. Watch. You're lifting the tree. You're lifting the tree up at the back of the truck. Boy, you ain't trying to put her in any better of a position, are you?
One way or another, we're getting out of here. Day one of excursion ownership. We've already towed with it. Let's see what it does off road. Day one of excursion ownership. We've already towed with it. Let's see what it does off road. Oh, yes. Oh boy. Now that was actually a lot more fun than I thought, and now I know why.
It's always more fun to get stuck than it is to get through them.
So you know what we do? We go back. I got them 35s back there. You go throw the 35s back on. I mean, it's doing well with these. They are brand new tires, but oh man, right out of the rip, we got that damage already. Endless scratches. Broke the mirror back already. Oh no. I gotta admit, I gotta say that this was fun, but it was a little nerve-wracking at first.
Some of it was a little bit sketchy there, buddy.
At first I was like, man, I am destroying a perfectly good truck that runs and drives. I drove this thing 84 or 90 miles this morning here, towing a trailer, and we're really beating the snot out of it at this point.
Got some mud on it.
Let's see if she'll fly. This thing's actually taking it way more than I thought it would.
Well, I mean, you know the slogan.
Ford tough.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's how it's built. It's built like a fat chick. Like a linebacker.
Yeah. Stuff with ease is insane.
The ass end of that fucker was just in the water.
Oh, for sure.
This is our little glory hole. You may have met your match. It's about as brown as the last glory hole I was in, too. You're going to have to come more to the left because you're hitting a wall on that side. Chocolate milk.
I'm trying to get the water to come this way, and then when the water starts going, I'm going.
Okay, I'll tell you when. Now. Oh, baby.
Why'd you shut off?
Forward and backward, if, you know. Hey, I haven't seen that left front spin at all. So we need to check and make sure. Gotta make sure.
Drive does seem to be unengaging, re-engaging.
Can hear it.
Low four-wheel drive. However, I guess I should put it in gear. However,
That's it, yeah.
Now we do know it worked previously because we've seen it in some of the footage.
It definitely did.
So I guess we continue to beat it and then part it out.
Plus we get under there and see that it's just like a little clippy or something.
Yeah.
Need four-wheel.
Do a little research here. We'll be right back. Alrighty. Well, as you can see, just brake torque it, like ease into it. As you can see, the four-wheel drive, the transfer case is working. Just ease into like you're doing a burnout. And the wheels are not spinning whatsoever. So we definitely stripped out some gears.
There's supposed to be gears in there?
Do we tear it apart now or wait for another video?
We should at least try and do some donuts.
Deal, stay tuned. Alrighty, well, that is supposed to look like the top one and the rest of the gears you see there. But I guess it is what it is. That's what happens when you get out there and you have a little fun with your beater truck. So it is what it is. I'm not really 100% sure what we're gonna do with this. As you can tell, we did sell the wheels off of it already. I had these wheels sitting around, so we tossed these on here for now. I do still have a rear wheel drive, so I can still drive it around. The problem is the front diff is now smoked, and now I have to financially make a decision what I'm gonna do, because I did originally buy this thing for the axles for a V8 1-ton swap Jeep that I wanna build. So I did buy it for the axles for the Jeep. So I'm gonna have to rebuild these at some point, or we're just gonna part this thing out and just kind of move on. So again, I hope you guys enjoy the content. We just kind of had some fun with this thing. I know you guys are missing some of the action-packed videos, but they are here. We are finally here to the action-packed videos, and I hope that you guys appreciate it. Also, got a bunch of builds going on here. F350 should be back together later on this week. The limo will be fully done and wrapped. If you can see the front bumper here, we got the front bumper done, rear bumper's done. Follow me on Instagram, Senate_Steve. The limo should be 100% done. A sneak peek on the lift color. The lift is actually painted and ready to go on that truck. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. And we're ready to start having some fun. So there you go. Comment, like, subscribe. Type excursion in the comment section down below if you enjoyed the content. And I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Probably not with the excursion, because this thing was actually really, really clean. Like if you actually look at the interior of this thing, it was actually spotless. So it is what it is. I'm not too upset about it. We bought this thing to kind of take apart anyway, so let's just have some fun with it. Why not? All right, guys, take care. We'll see you in the next one.